or where's the most convenient place to do infant bathing? So, ang sagot ko is the kitchen. Why? Again, doon na yung birthday book. When you have flat surface where you can put on your material. Remember that all materials should be within reach para wala nang gasol. Naiiwanan niyo yung pad. Here ka lang sa mga again, food boiled water. Okay, you also have the food boiled water. Or, yung level naman ng tubig, okay, remember yung level ng tubig is just 2 to 3 inches lang. Water level niya. Bakit 2 to 3 inches lang? Because infants are found drowned in water as shallow as 2 to 3 inches. Because infants sila, so they're very vulnerable. Kapag nagulat, okay, hindi na nila alam kung gano'n sila. Pag yung panic, pati yung nag-aalaga, okay? Kaya alam ko pag gano'n ko na 2 to 3. Okay, we have here the bath soap, baby shampoo, alcohol, or optional, you can have also your Barrier cream or baby oil. And then optional again, you have your cotton buds and we also have the cotton soap. Okay, before we do so, we need to check the temperature of the infant. So, ito na lang muna para pala tayo ulit. Unang-una, you need to check the temperature. Ito na lang muna natin.